Creating a YouTube video already takes a lot of time, but after editing, writing the title, and preparing the description, you still need a thumbnail that people will actually want to click. So today, I'm testing Thumbs.ai, which is an AI-powered platform designed to help creators generate, recreate, and manage YouTube thumbnails more efficiently. Now, before we begin, I'd just like to inform you that this video is sponsored by Thumbs.ai. They provided me with the access to the platform so I could explore its feature and show you how it works. So, the opinion and experiences shared in this video are on my own. You can also find my affiliate link in the description below as well. So, what is Thumbs.ai? Now, Thumbs.ai is an AI thumbnail creation platform for YouTubers, content creators, social media managers, marketers, and businesses. From the main dashboard, you can explore thumbnail styles, create a thumbnail from text prompt, create an existing thumbnail, browse templates, download thumbnails from YouTube, manage your assets, and even generate different facial expressions for your design. So let's go to the main workflow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Explore, which is this one. Now, the first section is this one, which is Explore. This gives you examples of popular thumbnail formats across different categories. You can browse styles for gaming, cinematic content, lifestyle videos, social media, memes, sports, studio content, and other niche. This is useful when you know your video topic but are not yet sure what visual direction to take. So there are also dedicated template section, which is this one. Here you can browse ready-made layouts and study elements commonly used in high-performing thumbnails such as large facial expressions, clear focal points, strong contrast, simple visual storytelling, minimal but readable text. So I would probably use this section before generating a thumbnail because it helps me identify a suitable style for the audience and topic of my video. So the next thing that we're going to explore is we're going to um, go to create thumbs, which is this one. So let's now create a thumb. So Thumbs.ai also provided two main options. So the text to thumbnail and image to thumbnail. For text to thumbnail, you can describe your video and the thumbnail you wanted to create. So I'll give you an example. So I've already created a prompt here, and then there's also an enhance option. Let's say let's test this. This can help improve the prompt before generation. Below the prompt, I can optionally choose a template, add my face, or even select a reference style as well. So under the advanced settings, I can also choose between the standard or even the um, for a vertical layout. So the standard is the 16 by 9 and the vertical is the 9 by 6. I can also select how many variations I want. Um, so each generation also uses credits. That's something that we need to take note of. So I would recommend starting with one or two variations just for this one. So once you find the direction you would like, you can create more versions and compare them as well. So I'm going to test this for you as well. And then there's also an option to recreate thumbs. Okay, as you've seen, I've been exploring this earlier. Now, this feature is helpful when you already have an existing thumbnail but want to explore a new version, composition, or visual style. You can upload an image. You can also use a thumbnail like a YouTube video link, and then also you can choose an image from your own save assets as well. Now, after uploading the reference, you can also describe the changes you want, which is here. You can also add your face, choose a template, select a reference style, just like what I've showed earlier. And then the goal should not be to directly copy another creator. So instead, use references to understand structure, visual hierarchy, and create direction, then creating something original from your own brand as well. So the next thing that we're going to explore is open my face and emotions as well. So this feature which creators may find especially useful, is the thumbnail face generator. So you can upload a clear photo, enter a name, and select from different emotions such as shocked, exciting, angry, or even screaming. You can also use a prompt to describe the expression that you want, and this can be helpful when your original photo does not have the right expression for the thumbnail. So after creating the thumbnail, you can save it and use it for future thumbnail generations. For best result, upload a clear front-facing image with good lighting and minimal obstruction around your face. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to explore is the downloader. Now, Thumbs.ai also include a YouTube thumbnail downloader, which is this one. You can enter a YouTube video URL and extract its available thumbnail. So supports individual videos, and the interface also shows options for a batch or channel-based workflows, as we can see this one. Now, you can also generate images and uploaded files that can be managed inside assets and creation, which is this one that we've shown earlier. This is where you can separate creations, uploads, and other assets. So this is easier to reuse images and keep your thumbnail workflow organized. Now, for my honest review, now based on the current version I tested, Thumbs.ai brings several thumbnail tasks into one workplace. Inspiration AI generation, image creation, face expression, downloading, and asset management. Some sections, including Analyze and additional AI tools, are currently marked as coming soon. So I'd be interested to see how these features expand the platform in the future updates. As with any AI generated design, I still recommend reviewing the final output carefully. So check the text, facial details, brand consistency, and how the thumbnail looks on a smaller mobile screen before publishing it. Then, also, new users can currently receive 20 free credits after signing up, which is equivalent to up to 10 thumbnail generations based on the offer provided by Thumbs.ai. After launching your first generation task, you can receive an additional 10 free credits, equivalent to 5 more thumbnail generation. So this is described as a limited time bonus, so availability may change. You can try Thumbs.ai through my affiliate link in the description below. Let me know in the comment section which feature you would like to use the most, like the text to thumbnail creation, templates, or the face and emotion generator. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.